I am starting off on natural wild hair. I did my hair 3 or 4 days ago and I was like, this actually came out really cute. So this is actually me 3 or 4 days later redoing this hairstyle for you guys. Didn't miss much, just the middle part in the middle of my head. This style did last me about 4 days. I just tied it down with one of like the wig wraps. So I tied the front of my head down and then threw a bonnet on. So it's a good style. It'll last you a few days if you do it right. Wouldn't recommend doing it tight because when I tell you my head was hurting for about a week after I took it down, like to the touch, I did mine way too tight. Like my head was very tender. So be better than me. Don't put it too tight, or if you want, just be aware that your head might be hurting if you do the ponytails too tight. So I'm gonna use Eco Styler gel. Just getting this hair out of the way, really. I'm about to mold it into my ponytail. The only thing that I use throughout this entire video is Eco Styler gel and edge control. I believe the edge control I use is Edge Effects, but you can use whatever you want to use. So I'm going to pull out my baby hairs. These are artificial baby hairs. I've cut these baby hairs, you know. My edges have come out since I've been wearing wigs, so. But I was cutting my baby hair. Look, okay, I'm gonna give you the tea. I was cutting my baby hairs way before I even started wearing wigs, just to give it a little more oomph. I was trying to be the baby hair queen. Now, I naturally do have baby hairs. Well, I had baby hairs, but the wigs snatched them out. So I'm really on this new thing of trying to do like natural styles, but my hair is so damaged. I done bleached my hair for Lord knows why, and it is just horrible. And then I cut it, and I dyed it after, right back black. Like I tried to do my hair, well, it was blonde for a little bit, and then like for 2 seconds, but then it started turning. It didn't stay the blonde that I wanted, so then I just threw some black on it, and it was just a waste of bleaching my hair. But we're getting off track, sis. Why are you even talking about that? So anyways, I am just molding my hair into a ponytail, and I'm going to get 2 hair ties. Ooh, look how tight, girl. Don't don't do it that tight. I mean, you can, but it hurts so bad, y'all. So I'm getting that out of the way, and we're going to do the same. I might just start doing my baby hairs, actually. Yeah, we're just getting that out of the way. And now I'm about to go ahead and do my baby hairs with my edge booster. This is the only edge control that was around, so it doesn't matter what edge control you use. It is completely up to you, whatever works with your hair. So I'm really just gonna be smoothing my edges into the ponytail and doing a swoop motion, a swoop C, like a curly C motion. You don't get the best view of me doing my hair on this side, but don't worry, because obviously, everything that I do on this side, I'm going to do on the other side. So I'm just slicking, like, you know, the back. Because my hair is super short, so that was me slicking up any extra pieces that I missed. I'm going to try to let you see what I do here, even though you can't really see that side of my head. I'm just slicking and swooping and smoothing. So I'm going to go to the other side and let you see what I really do while I get my swoops in. So I've pulled my baby hair out on that side, and now I'm just going in with my Eco Styler gel and trying to get that monster into a ponytail, y'all. Ugh, my hair is so dry and brittle and just damaged. But anyways, we are swooping it into a ponytail. My poor hair. Make sure you get them the backs, the sides. I wasn't really actually too worried because you'll see like some of my hair is much shorter because I cut it into a bob. So like some little pieces are sticking out, but they're curly. So I feel like it added just a little extra style to the style, because you'll see towards the end me like curling the hair that's sticking up. But anyway, so we are just going to twist the hair into the tiniest little bun that you can do. You can braid it, whatever, but I twisted it, and then I'm gonna go and put in some rubber bands. So notice that that bun is much smaller than the bun on the other side, because I was just trying to get the hair out of the way. We're gonna come back to the other side, but here is a close-up of how I do my baby hairs. What I'm trying to accomplish is a smooth look, like everything goes into the hairline. So here I'm smoothing my hair, and I'm trying to create little lines. You see how I'm going down and curving on the side? I don't know, you can see just, it's little lines, not in my baby hair, but in my hairline. That I don't like my hair to go straight back into the ponytail. I kind of want it a little curve. But anywho's, for my baby hairs, I'm doing C motions and then going in with my finger after and always smoothing it out. That is a key part of baby hairs, is to smooth it into place. Help your hair go where it needs to go by telling it where it needs to go with that finger. Okay, smoothing it down using your finger, and use a lot of product. I don't use, well, I actually use a lot of product, but don't be afraid of the product, but know when too much is too much, you know? So yeah, this is me smoothing it. There we go, whipping it. Yes, getting it into a slick ponytail. There's the other side that I did. But I mess with my baby hair probably 52 times after this, so. Okay, you can leave your hair like this if you want to stop here. Okay, wait. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I noticed looking back on the video only. Make sure be better than me. I don't know if my buns are a little off to the side. One is a little closer to the front than the other one, or if one is just bigger. I don't know. But my buns was kind of uneven, but you know. Oh, and that's the hair that I was talking about sticking out. I ended up like curling that little piece sticking out, not at the bottom, but get your beauty beads too. That little piece sticking out towards the top of the bun, I ended up just curling it. So anyways, yeah, make sure your buns, your little space buns are even. So you could stop here or you could keep going. This is cute little, you know, gym hairstyle, just to get your hair out the way. But I'm gonna add some extensions. Those are just some curly extensions that I have. You can use some $10 extensions from my other video, Bougie on a Budget. You can use whatever extensions that you want to use. I just chose to use these. These are human hair, so I feel like it would give the best look. I also dyed these to match the color of my hair, so you should do that too. It just makes it look that much more natural, like it's yours. So I am just putting it on, wrapping it around itself, and then wrapping it around. So you gotta play with your hair, because I was playing with my hair and moving it around, and I played with the buns to make it bigger, to make it smaller, whatever you want. I would not recommend using a rubber band. I used a rubber band, but in the next days that I did my hair and I went into the clip, I found that bobby pins were better. So I even had a little hairstyle, like, you know, a little hair falling down my hair. So anyways, that's when I use the bobby pins. The bobby pins, it just gives you more room to play with your hair, the hair ties or the rubber bands around the bun kind of locks it into place better. But we want to be able to have like a messy look. So it's up to you. Whatever you want to do with your buns is whatever you want to do. You want them to be super tight, super neat, do that. I wanted more of a messy look. So here I go with them uneven buns, y'all. Ugh. I'll fix them the next day or whatever. But I guess I couldn't tell. But yeah, make your buns even. Make sure they're to the front or to the back the same way. Or who cares? Because nobody said nothing to me, okay? I went out this night and nobody said. I got a lot of compliments on my hair. But so yeah, this is pretty much the look. I'm just going to be messing with my buns, messing with the hair, pulling it, twisting it, you know, seeing what I want to do. I did end up every night taking out the hair and send it to the side just because when I slept on it, I found that the curls like smushed and they just wasn't as vibrant. So I would take them out every night and just put them in the morning and, you know, brush back some hair that was out of place or whatever. So yeah, that's a little tip too. But like I said, you can make this style as messy or as neat as you want. You can have some hair falling down from the hair ties, from the buns, from the back, from the side. You can have some little twigglies in the front pulled out, you know, play with it. Actually, that would be really cute. See, a little cute, little girly, little protective style, if you will. But yeah, this is pretty much the look, y'all. I just keep on messing with it and doing what I do. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate the views. Let me know what your hair turns out like. Show me what y'all did, how it came out. Yeah. See you on the next one, you guys. Bye.